All right, I'm gonna show you guys how much time it takes for a Smittybilt air compressor to fill up a 315/70 R17 KO2 tires from 20 psi to 40 psi. Here we go. So I made this blue extension, which is really handy because it's long enough to not have to move the pump. So I'll just have to give a hand there to get that in there quickly. Yeah, one thing about the Icon rebound wheels I started to not like, this is the only thing I don't like, is how it's designed that it kind of interferes with the nozzle of this air pump, or any air pump. Alright, I'm at 20 psi, and let's start the timer. It's been 1 minute. Stopped at 1 minute and 5 seconds. Check the pressure. It's about 32. Halfway there. Minute, and we're at 40. Trying to go a little over that, like 42. So yeah, it takes about 2 minutes going from 20 to 40 psi, which is pretty good in my opinion, given the tire size. The connector for the extension is a little tricky because it's not a standard air fitting that you can buy from Home Depot. There you go, as you see, 43, 44-ish. It's good. Now I have to unplug this. All right, done. 2 minutes and maybe 15 seconds.